Okay. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for the immense amount of support you've given us. We have reached 25,000 subscribers, and on April 8th, we officially made the 1 million view milestone, which is awesome. Now our new goal is to reach 50,000 subscribers. So in this video, if you like it, subscribe, like, comment. We actually have a few cool new videos coming up, very interesting. We are going to be comparing this car and see how they do. For this video though, we did receive from Foxpeed a jump starter and power pack. The model number is G29. So I'm going to be opening it up, seeing what's inside, and explaining it all. On the side of the box, it actually comes with a 4-step instruction. So it comes in a Foxpeed case. It comes with this. Thanks for choosing G29 Jump Starter. We'd love to hear for your honest experience with our product. It's a user manual. Here we have the cables. They're intelligent cables. Here we have DC cigarette lighter charger. We have a USB wire that goes into the USB port, which is the charger. And here's the unit. I'm going to turn it on so hopefully there's battery on it already. There is 79%. So here, this is where the engine start is. Right there. That we also have, you could charge your phone. I'm sorry. You have the LED light here. It's also an emergency light. To go over it really quickly, if you hold the start button down for 3 seconds, it will look like this. And then if you press it lightly, it will flash for SOS. And then to turn it off, oh, it goes a little bit faster. And then to turn it off, just hold it again and release. On this side, you have where you plug it in right here. This goes into the charging dock, and then you plug it in to recharge the unit. Over here, when we're talking about the cigarette lighter, plug that in, and you could use it for, your radar detector and so forth. So some information out of the manual is the device is suitable for gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6.5 liters. They have advice warnings indicated on the display: low voltage, high voltage, reverse charge, reverse polarity or short circuit, high temperature, excess connection time. Warranty is in the book. It does state, we offer 12 months warranty service from the date of purchase. Now over here, it does say that it comes with a card, and if you activate it, it does say 24 months here. If you activate your 24-month warranty and get your gift, please contact us within 14 days after receiving your jump starter. It looks like they're giving away either a $20 gift card to Amazon or a tire pressure gauge. And you just scan the back of this on your phone to start the process. For more stats and features on the Foxpeed G29, I'm going to put them in the description box below. You'll find all of this here: model, capacity, size, input, output, and so forth. So we're going to take this outside and see how it does. So the first thing you're going to do when your car is dead, there's a little switch on the side. Each key is different, but with the Durango, it's right on the side. And then you pull out. So this is the SXT 2021 Dodge Durango, and it has the V6 engine. Unfortunately, when you leave it for about 2 to 3 weeks without starting it, the battery does tend to die. Over here you'll see the plus, which is positive. It shows you here, and here again on the side it shows the negative, and it's right here. Or in a pinch you could use any metal parts that's connected to the body. That's merely just a piece of metal that's connected to the body. That's all it is. Per the instructions, we have to connect the jumper clamps to the car battery. Again, red is positive, black is negative. I usually do positive first. The next step is to plug the jumper cable into the battery pack. So put the cables in first and then turn the unit on. Next step is to turn it on. The last step, after the car has been started, remove the plug from the battery pack and remove the clamps from the car battery. For safety purposes, always pull this out of the unit first, then you can remove the clamps. So if they touch one another, nothing happens. Video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a good day. Bye.